This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Volkswagen Polo Comfortline, stock reference number 3896. The shape runs from the 5th month 2010 through to the 7th month 2014. It has a CB Zed B 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine backed by a 7-speed automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CB Zed B 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end as well as the right hand side. We have the left hand fog light. This vehicle's fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, non-park sensor type. Tailgate appears to have no damage, sold complete. We also have the parcel shelf in black. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a black and grey cloth interior. It's got an automatic gear shifter. Factory immediate single stack touchscreen CD player. Courtesy lamp. Left sun visor. Owner's manual and service book in a dealership case. Rear headrests. Right hand sun visor. Instrument cluster. And a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.